Well, good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino Beer Review. Today, you have the Rhino, and we're looking at a beer from here in Saskatchewan. This one, I've done one beer by them already, and it said it was brewed at District Brewing Company, which is here in Regina. However, this one does state that it was brewed in Saskatoon. It also states that it was brewed in Saskatoon as a contract brewery. So this is where my question of who actually brewed it comes in, right? I've read online that it's brewed by Great Western. I don't know if that's true or not. It's 5% alcohol by volume. It's Co-op Gold Premium Lager. So the way this is that the Co-op is a grocery store chain. They also have like gas station. It's like the FCNQ or the Federation Cooperative Nouveau Quebec or the Arctic Co-op or so many other co-ops. It's like a almost profit sharing grocery store in that you get to share in the well, I don't know if this one pays out dividends, but most co-ops that I've ever dealt with pay a dividend out to their customer base. They can get some things that you won't find at other grocery stores. Some things are really cheap, some things aren't, and they'll do things like this, like an adult soda pop. Lots of bright white head. Crisp golden color. Extremely see-through. Now, again, I'm drinking this warm. So I'm a little worried about it. Because one of these co-op beers is considered by some people that I work with to be the worst beers in Saskatchewan. I don't know if this is the one. I don't know. I know that it must not have been the light. The light was refreshing. It was, but I did drink it cold. I'm drinking this one room temperature. Head is fading. Smell it from the glass first. Earthy, very sweet, and almost like O-Pee-Chee hockey cards bubblegum sweet, which I guess is kind of like a Bazooka Joe. No, yeah, a Bazooka Joe. Out of the can. Woo! Again, that is very sweet, very Bazooka Joe-like. Cheers, let's try it. Okay, two things. This is warm. So faults will show, all that type of stuff. Very sweet, bubblegummy flavor. Slightly earthy, slightly grainy back end. And this is warm. Is it great? No. Is it horrible? No, I've had a lot worse. Is it good? If I only had a co-op around, this would be a fine beer to buy as a six-pack to drink with my buddies at watching the game or something. If I had other choices around, I'd probably buy something else. But I could see myself drink this again. I just don't think I would buy a six because of the price. The price is $13 for the six-pack. Well, for $38, I can get a 2-4 of the no-name beer. And I like the no-name beer a little bit. I mean, I have no real dilemma with it. I have no real dilemma with this either, but if I'm going to stand the two of them up side by side, which one's better? Probably the no-name beer. It's solid. It is what it is supposed to be, and for a $13 $13 six-pack, in Saskatchewan, it is a solid choice. But I don't know if I would ever buy it again. The light, I would buy again. This one, I don't know. Now, would I suggest drinking this warm? No. Would I suggest drinking this out of a glass? No. Where this beer is going to win is cold, crisp, right from the fridge and right from the can. Out of 10, I'll give it a 6.75. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.